In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install apps on your HP laptop running Windows 11. This is a super simple process, and it only takes a couple of minutes. First, go down to the Start menu. That's the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the search bar, type Microsoft Store. Once it shows up, click on it to open the app. The Microsoft Store is a built-in feature in Windows 11, where you can browse, download, and install thousands of apps. These include popular tools like WhatsApp, iTunes, Spotify, Facebook, Zoom, and even games. When the store opens, look to the left-hand side and click on Apps. This section shows a wide selection of apps sorted by categories like productivity, entertainment, and communication. You can scroll through to discover new apps, or use the filters at the top to sort by popularity, ratings, or price. Many of these apps are free to download, but some might require a payment. If you already know what app you're looking for, just go to the search bar at the top, type in the app name. For example, let's type Facebook, and hit the Enter key. You'll see a list of results. Click on the app you want, and then hit the blue Install button. It may take a few seconds to download and install depending on your internet connection. Once it's installed, you can click Open right from the store, or go back to your Start menu and search for the app by name to launch it. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily download and install apps on your HP laptop running Windows 11.